You will need one touch sensor, an optocoupler, 2 zip ties, a power cable, an audio cable, a 100 ohm resistor, a long piece of wire, and these 2 3D printed cases which are available online. Here is a view of all the parts. Let's get going. Begin by taking the 2 cables and inserting them through the base of the case, just like this. Then we'll take the audio cable and connect it to the optocouplers pin 3 and 4. It doesn't matter which wires connect to which pins as long as they end up connecting to either pins 3 or 4. On the other side of the optocoupler, on pin 1, we're going to connect a shortened resistor. So I cut the resistor and connected it to pin 1. And on pin 2, we'll connect the ground cable to the ground pin of the optocoupler. So you should have that audio cable going through the case to the optocoupler, on the other end a 100 ohm resistor and a ground cable. Then grab the touch sensor and insert the power cable into the VCC, so the red cable to the VCC and the black cable goes to the ground, and solder that onto the touch sensor. The other end of the resistor is going to go through this touch sensor in the middle port, which is the output port, and solder that over there. That ground cable is going to join the ground link on the touch sensor, so the ground cable from the optocoupler connects to the ground of the touch sensor. On the top right of the touch sensor, there's a small silver area, and you want to attach an 8-inch piece of 26 gauge wire right over there to that top right piece of the touch sensor. That cable then gets inserted through the base of the case, through those holes, to make a loop around the entire electronic circuit. Grab some zip ties and secure the cables. This way, if there's any tension on the cables, it gets absorbed by the zip ties and doesn't ruin your soldering. Once that's done, push it all together so it looks nice. Grab a glue gun and secure all the pieces together. And then all you got to do is screw on the top of the case and you should be good to go. Here you can see anytime you touch the sensor, once it's plugged in, it has a red light indicating it's being sensed. It should work anywhere on the touch sensor. And if you plug it into a device like a light or the Xbox adaptive controller, every time you touch it, it will give you an output. That's how to create a touch switch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.